Hello y'all, come with me. Let me show you how you can turn your full or manageable hair, rough hair, into this beauty by the right hand side you're looking at effortlessly. How you can turn this full thing that can be really stressful, you can't know how to manage, into this beauty by the right hand side. Very, very easy steps with all the products I'm gonna use. So let's get into it. So these are the products I'm gonna use: the Coil Lala. If you have this, good. If you don't have it, this Cantu Coiler is also a good option. This got to be Locking Mousse, the Hawaiian Silky, and this my favorite leave-in conditioner. And then the keratin serum. And this is just water in a container. And then look at the brushes I'm going to use. I don't know what you call it, but you can see them here. So Hawaiian Silky, you're supposed to put 30 to 70%, 70% of water and 30%. So I just pressed a little, like few pumps. And then I went ahead to add this leave-in conditioner, as you can see, and I added 4 pumps of this serum as well. All you have to do is shake them together, and you've gotten your detangling spray. Now let's get to the hair. So you must make sure you section your hair into parts. This is very, very important. This hair is so full and almost unmanageable. The only way you can manage it is take your time to section it. It's very important. Now you go ahead and comb. I did not show how exactly I did this beginning side, but don't worry, come along with me. You will see eventually in about a minute or two, you will now see in details how I achieved those curls. But for now, this hair is so full and almost unmanageable. If you don't like extra shakara, you don't have strength for so many plenty hair, please don't go for this boomies hair or broomies hair. Trust me, the hair is so full. But then again, it can be manageable when you have this product and you can do this yourself. But this takes hours. So you have to be ready. Just know that it takes hours to achieve this, except you want all of your hair to damage. This is one of the reasons why sometimes you give hairstylists your hair, and when it comes back, you'll be looking for where all the fullness went, because they did not do it with care. Most times, they don't take their time to detangle it, so half of the hair is gone. So if you must do this process, you must have the patience. Just tell yourself that you're going to waste at least 2 to 3 hours doing this, especially for the detangling part, because that is the most important part. And if you don't do it right, by the time you are done with this, your hair will be half gone. You will see half on the floor. So be very, 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 very careful, or be very, just know that you need time. Just note that you need time. It takes a lot of time and patience. So just know that. Now, we'll get into the tutorial in full details in a bit. Meanwhile, this thing, I'm doing it right now because most of the time the curly hair tend to coil towards the down and not in the middle. So when you do that, it also comes a little bit upward. Now let's get into the details how to go about it. First of all, detangle your hair with your hand. Note that I sectioned it line by line. I'm literally doing this thing in small quantity so that it does not overpower me. I'm using my finger to detangle it while it's dry. I'm using my fingers. This way, it saves your hair from too much breakage. Use this leave-in detangling spray we just created and go right into it. And then use your hand. It's very important when you're detangling hair to use your hand. See, avoid a lot of combing. Trust me, it's not a good idea to rush into using comb. Use your hand first before you go using comb. Trust me, take it from me for free. Then this wide tooth comb is a must when you're talking about coily hair. I don't see how you can overcome coily hair without a wide tooth comb, in my opinion. Then when you have combed them out completely and there's no more tangling or knots, you now go ahead to put these two leave-in conditioners together and rub. If you have one, it's okay. I have the two options. I won't have a lot of leave-in conditioners. That's why I can use them. And if I'm to choose, I would choose the Cantu. Is my best is a better option to the other one, the Coil Lala, in my opinion. But if that's what you have, then go ahead and use it. Now, see the way I am applying it. Please apply sufficient, especially if you are doing it by yourself. If you are giving it to people, they will do small quantity for you. Put sufficient so that it will be easier for you to comb. Then go in with this comb, because this comb does not really cut hair a lot. Go in with this brush and start from the tip. The secret is in the brushing. For the curl to come out, the secret is in the brushing. So you have to brush until there's really no knot whatsoever, that you can brush it from the head beginning to the tip freely, that's when you have gotten it. And as you're now doing that, the coils will be going right up. It will be tangling, as you can see. As you are brushing it, the coil will be tangling. That's when the coil is forming. But if there's not, it won't do this. You have to brush all the way until there's no single knot left. Now, I personally don't think that brush is good enough. I use this brush after that one because it gives a better coil. Like, it coils more and it coils all the way up. The other ones tend to give coil towards the tip only, while this one makes the coil go up a little bit. So this is better for me. It gives... Unfortunately, this video is a little further than I thought. I didn't realize it was so far when I was recording it, so it didn't really show what I was trying to show you. Now look how I'm combing it. You can see the hair is still looking straight. Yes, it's forming curls, but the curls is looking straight. Look the difference when I started using this. Just see how it is changed as soon as I started using this one. And as I'm doing it and going, that's how it will still be coiled. Like, the coil it will start tangling up. You will see the coil becoming way more defined than the other one. It looks more beautiful in my opinion. But if that is the only brush you have, then just make sure you comb more, because the more you comb, the better the coil. Then I went ahead to style my front, of course. This is the frontal wig, so styling the front is very, very important. And for you to style, you need hot comb, and you need this thing I applied just now. I've forgotten what the name is. So you go ahead and put them, and then you can style and then continue to detangle the rest of the hair so it will blend with the other ones. So I went ahead to put mousse. This is optional, but I think is a very very good option if you have it. If you have a mousse, add a mousse. It holds the coil in, and after the mousse, you go ahead and still comb the hair together, and then the coil will come out even more. Look at the coils. Just take a look. Just take a look at this beauty. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please share so others can also benefit from me. Don't just watch and not say anything. Comment. Give me a like at least now. I teach you something. Say thank you, like. Okay, to my next video. Bye.